Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome to my Benzinga family. What's shaking bacon's happy Monday? It is a very quiet Monday morning at the moment. Little action in Bitcoin. Market itself is kind of dead. We were talking about Bitcoin this morning. I've been talking about it. And we got a nice level coming up. I don't know if we get there, but if we can somehow get down to this $36,000 level, you know, this thing has had a 30 to 50% correction every year. That would about do it perfectly. So maybe we're one Musk tweet away from hitting 36,000, but that would be a spot where I'd be interested in buying it, and Mara and Riot and everything else. As far as this morning is concerned, there's just not a lot going on at the moment. Mara is currently below the 200 EMA. Yeah, that's what I mean. I think Mara can go to 16 bucks. That's the spot that I would really like it. Wow, the bell rang already? Nice. So we were looking at coin early. Sal, let us know when you jump in coin. I got 239, which would be a nice far from moving average trade. If we can spike down $6 from here, we'll start looking at it. Yeah, all right, 239, we start buying some coin. We will get a bounce off that, I think, at some point. Again, just do it really slow. That would be a far from moving average trade too. So I don't think we're going to get down that low, but we will certainly start buying a little if we do. On $6 from here. Morning, 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 everybody. Good morning. Tesla. Spike up, spike down. SQ. Coming in a little bit. We got that 195 level. YND. What's a YND? Wrong symbol, Gus. What's YND? Boyle? That's a bad sale in Boyle. That's why we didn't get hit. It didn't really trade down there. Bad sale, bad sale. Nah, couldn't have. We'd be long if it did. We had a 26.20 bid out. We'd be up $1.50 on it already. So I don't see how that happened. Well, if anyone got 26.20, start selling it at 27.50. I can tell you that right now. Palantir? Nah, spike up, spike down. Beyond meat, what do you got? You like 102.70 and beyond? All right, let's do it small. I kind of like it. Down right now. Small to start, Gus. 102.70 beyond. This popped down. I don't think anyone, if someone got hit in Boyle, that's great. Yeah, I don't think it's a good sale, guys. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. Yeah, I'll tell you. Watch. There you go. Now it didn't trade there. Labu. Let's take a look at Labu. Yeah, spike down $1 in Labu. 58 would be a good spot in Labu. Let's get a little bit out there. I kind of like that. 58. Labu. That would be stretched down. Let's jump in multiple dollars. Mister? Yeah, well, it's a $488 stock, so. Yeah, beyond bouncing a little. Coin. Wow. We didn't miss coin by much, guys. We missed it by $3. Let's still stay where we are. I don't like it until we get down there, so. We can get rid of Soxel for now. That's a swing trade anyway. AMC and TRIP. TRIP. No volume in TRIP, but give me a level. AMC going up. Yeah, I mean, as we said, to grab a little AMC, right? Did you get that down at that 1340? That was nice. Looks like it missed it by a couple of pennies, though. We did say to grab a little. 15 could be a little short. Airbnb. All right, you can try a little Airbnb at 135.20 if it does it on this pop down late. This pop down Airbnb. Let me take a look. All right, got to be right now Airbnb, but I like it if we get there. Pop. Labu. Bounced. Beyond. Bounced. Cancel that for now. Leave coin. Tesla ain't happening. SQ ain't happening. Boyle ain't happening. Labu. NVAX. Spike up, spike down, NVAX. Give me another level, right? Facebook 310. Bounced already. Ay. Airbnb just bounced. Well, I didn't expect much out of this morning. So we'll see what happens. Coin threw in a little green bar, I guess. If you whack a doodle, maybe you can buy a little bit there. I don't know. I'm waiting, guys and gals. There's just not a hell of a whole lot going on. So Facebook, I would love it. 310.70. I cancel Airbnb. Taking too long. Let's get that out in Facebook. 310.70. Like that. Yeah, it gave $3 NVAX, but from where? What I'm saying? Facebook. Coin coming in again. All right. Again, tiny 239 coin. We add to that, and then we look for the far from moving average trade if we get that. Tiny bid where, Solomon? Ford, APLS, SNMP. Nah, long term if you like it. Otherwise, I would not touch SNMP. So you bought a little coin at 243. All right. If you're going to add slowly. Start small. You stink, Labu. Cancel that. Big spiky in Labu. Wow. Out of nowhere. EJH was halted. It went up $9. Holy crap. Yep. Riot. Let's take a look at Riot, everybody. Nah, Riot's a bloody mess. It's got a 40-cent range, guys. I don't see it. Tesla. Well, Tesla just gave a little short at that 584, but you know Tesla. This thing could get ripping through everything and keep going up. So let it set up for a couple minutes. I would not run into Tesla yet. I mean, if you got a quick short off there, you just took $1 out of it. That's okay. Nothing wrong with that. So coin, I'm just putting it out small, 239, 238, and then we'll go far from moving average if we get it. 239, 238. Faster the better. Plug power. Plug could be setting up for a better buy, guys. Right? Shortsky up at 26 and plug. Let's keep our eyes on it. Yeah, I like the short if we get there, Ken. Watch it. Plug power. UNFI. Let's take a look. UNFI setting up for a trend. If we get a pullback down there, Born, I kind of like it. Labu. Wow. I mean, I didn't have anything technically at 59.42. Good trade. Nice trade if you got that. Very nice. Roku. Yes, Roku, 322 short. Yes, Eric. I like it. I like it. Coin trying to stabilize here? I don't know. Above 242, coin could be all right. Disney. Disney's a bloody mess, guys. There's nothing there. Telephone. Looks decent if you want to buy a little bit, but I don't see it. Look, guys and gals, this market's just spiking up, spiking down. I'm not seeing anything set up yet. So we just got to be patient. Be patient. Let them come to us. That's it. Look at every chart is like a bloody mess. We're up, we're down, we're sideways. Snow looks good. All right. 218 would be a short in snow, but that could be an uptrend. Let's keep our eyes on it. Yes. We get a pullback in snow. Let's try to jump on board if we can. Yeah, coin solid. If you get back above 243, I think you can go a little bit. Got down to that. What did it get to? 240. We missed it by a banana skin. Damn. DISCA. DISCA. I mean, we got a little bit here, 37.70. I don't know how real that whole deal is, though, so I'm not in a hurry. You want to try 37.70, that's fine. Just have a tight stop. You got 36.50 below that. It actually just hit 37.70, so if you got there, that's fine. So I'd have a break-even stop in disc now. If it gets below this, we think we could see 36.50. So keep it tight. Keep it tight. Rail. Yeah, again, rail's another one. If you like it, you just put it away. It's not a trade. Look, there's going to be some mornings where a lot of stuff just doesn't line up. It's okay. Yeah, look how choppy everything is, Tim. Look at that. I mean, it's up, it's down, it's not doing anything. It's all over the place. APLS. All right. Well, we want to buy some APLS around 51 if we get a pullback. That would be the trend, right? So APLS could be a good buy at 51 and 50.20. Two good levels. APLS. Fubo. Fubo setting up for a nice trend. Yes. We get a pullback around the 21 level. That looks good. Let's put that out. I like the Fubo. At 21. Start. A little Fubo Bubo. If we get there. STX, DDD. Sal, don't give me trend trades setting up. Give me trades to make. Give me trades to make. Look, everybody, I'll say it again. It's a bloody mess this morning. Right now, it's just a mess. Coin, no big thrills. It's going back down again. All right. We're going to wait for the fall for moving average trade in coin. Otherwise, we're doing 10 shares at a time. Look at everything. Everything is just a mess at the moment. Apple. You know, here's the gig when this is happening, guys and gals. You don't run in and get yourself in trouble. You just hang out. And you wait things to come to you. And if they don't, they don't. That's it. DISCA. All right, good. You know, you got a little bounce off the 37.70. Start taking some profit for 30, 40 cents. Raise your stop up to break even and see what the next move is. Good. Got a couple of bananas. A few people in the room got it. Excellent. Keep it tight now. CRCT is another mess at the moment. I don't see it. Facebook coming down a little bit. I don't see it. Playboy. Every chart I'm looking at looks exactly the same, guys. Every chart. Spiking up, spiking down. Nothing. NVAX. I don't think Playboy is a trend yet. NVAX could be setting up. Playboy, you bought a little at 50-50. All right, so I'll just grab the little Playboy at 50-50 here on a real early trend. Okay. That's fine. ZM. Yeah, short ZM, 314.80. ZM, short, 314.80. Yes. Roblox. Get those Roblox going. Well, just set up for a short Noblex right here at 73.20. But a better buy on a pullback. Buy on a pullback. Roblox. Better buy, better buy. Baidu. Palantir. Again, Baidu's probably a better buy on a pullback, but it's not a short. Palantir. Big spike up, big spike down. You know, palantir, that 1830 is the big weekly level. You know, as long as it stays above that, it's probably okay. I mean, I like it for a long-term trade. It's certainly not a day trade, but long-term is good. So what are you doing in Playboy? It's just a mess. It's crazy. Everything's a mess. Coin needs to clear that 243.50 to get going a little bit. Otherwise, it's just hanging here. Cancel Facebook. That ain't happening. You're long at 50.50 with a stop at 49. All right. I don't like anything. Snow trend trade. Let's look. Yeah, snow we can buy as a trend trade. Yes. Pull back to 211. 210, what do we got? 211, 210 in snow is good. 211, 210, but it looks like it's going to go sideways here and then go up again. Boeing pivot point 225.40. Boeing, keep posting everything everywhere, guys. Both sides of the candle. We'll look at everything. You guys find something over in Benzinga is good. We'll do it. Peloton. 94 is a good spot in Peloton, guys. Yes, Terry. I like it. I'll be down $2.50. Let's put it out. For us, guys and gals, day trading is all about patience and discipline. You know, we came in Friday expecting to have a real quiet day. It was the best day of the week. I mean, we crushed it. So you don't know when things are going to set up, but until they do, I ain't running in and doing anything. What is this EJH? It trades in like a $6 range. I would be careful with this thing. It was just $80. Now it's $65. Holy crap. Are you kidding me? Yeah, it's got a $2.50 spread, EJH. No, thank you. I know. Can't trade it. So here's what I want to show everybody. Look at the spread in this thing. The difference between the bid and the offer is $2. So if I want to buy something right now, I got to buy it up $2.50. No, thank you. Stay away from that thing. I don't care what it does. No. Roblox getting stretched. Ooh, it certainly is. 75.40 Roblox. We start shorting. I like it. Do it. 75.40. That's our pivot point. Boom chakalaka. We're out there short. Roblox we want to buy, guys, on a pullback. Buy. SQ. No, I wouldn't short SQ here. It's just bopping all over the place. No, thank you. Have some fun. It's dead. We don't trade $1 stocks, but it's all right. Tesla. Wow. Tesla just got to our short, guys. Anyone get the 589 short in Tesla? Just gave you $2.50. Holy mackerel. Guys, you see our pivot point right here in Tesla at 589? Look how it hit it and went straight down $2.50. Whack a doodle. Yeah, Tesla's a better buy now if we can get a pullback. Yes. Roku, far from moving average trade 326. All right. And Roku's a better buy. So every chart I'm looking at, guys, right now, it looks like things are setting up for the long side. ABNB. Give me some levels in ABNB. Give me something. Let's look. 15-minute. Nothing. 30. Nothing. Daily. Nothing. I got nothing in ABNB. I mean, far from moving average tried maybe around 133. It's getting down there as far as relative strength is concerned, right? Yeah, let's put a marker at 133. Spread is good in this, so we can get a far from moving average. If we spike down. Good. Home Depot. Mr. Home Depot. Home Depot, boom chakalaka. If you're short Home Depot, boom chakalaka. And it is setting up for a short trend, without a doubt, for the rest of the day. That one does not look good. OCGN, little cheapski bleepski. Wow. Now you can try OCGN 870, 860 for a little trade. You got to do a little size. Trend trade U. It's setting up to be that now. Yes. I like it. Did we miss DISCA? Not really. I mean, it's gone up 30 cents. No, not really. I don't think we missed anything. All right, Roblox, let's do it. Stretch it out to 75.40. Obviously, we want to buy some Roblox on a pullback too. Roblox not my favorite stock in the world to trade. But if it gets stretched up all the way out there. Mara's dead, sitting in the middle of everything. Well, Mara's going to trade with Bitcoin, guys. And I don't like Bitcoin until we get to 36,000. So not for me. Neo setting up for a better trend trade now. The far. Better on the long side. Short could be maybe up at 34.70 for a trade. Snow. Yeah, Snow, 218.50 would be a little bit stretched, wouldn't it? Snow. SNOW. Problem is, we kind of almost just got there, and look at that pullback, right? So if we got to that 218.50, look at that. We would have got $2 out of it already. So I don't like it second time up. That was the trade. If we got right there, it would have been spectacular. But we didn't. Cancel this Fubo. I don't even like it at 21. Airbnb coming in, guys. Do it. Seem to have shorted Roku. Well, if you shorted Roku at 322, it's working out nicely. If you left an order out there. It gave you a nice dollar. Nothing wrong with that. Macy's is another one I wouldn't day trade, but 1840 would be a spot. 1840 would be a spot. Matt, you shorted Roku up there? Yeah, just take your profits. You get $1 or something. You buy. Thank you very much. Move on. Mara, I don't know how much movement we get out of Mara, but, 20 is a spot right here if you want to buy a little bit, see what happens. Who is controlling my machine? Only you. Airbnb came close. Cancel that one for now. Down 60 cents. Roblox also pulling back. Let's get a bid out in Roblox at 72.10 for the trender. Airbnb 132 now we look. 132. Yeah, we're getting that. We are getting that. Snow. Wow, what a short ski. What do you like in Snow, guys? 212, 211 small? Yeah, I like that. Good small in Snow. Very small. NASDAQ coming in. All right, let's wait till 211 in Snow. That is the trend, 293. Oh, what a short that was. Jeez Louise. Short of the century. Airbnb looks like crap. You entered Airbnb? No, we're waiting. I like to see it get down to 132. Then we look for moving average. It's getting close, though. It's getting close. Shorted 20 shares of Roku and made $50. Very nice. Very nice, guys. 317 was a little trend in Roku, too. Look at that. Ooh, Coin just got the smack-a-dacka, guys. Woohoo! We bought a little Fubo, all right. Ah, come on, Coin. You couldn't let us buy more? Damn it. Take $1 in Coin, guys. Tried to take $1 in Coin. I wanted to add it 238. Let's see what happens. Bought Fubo. All right, we got $1. We got $1 in Coin. Son of a beeswax. I wanted the far from moving average trade down there. Want. Snow bounced, can. Roblox can. Peloton can. Coin, my next spot, guys, is 235. Put the marker out. Anyone get a quick dollar in coin? Steve, you got $100 in what? DISCA. DISCA. Yeah, I mean, that's why I didn't like the disco up there. Maybe 36.50 disco. Disco duck. That's how you added it 239. Oh, you gewelt. Not for me. All right, if you got a little Fubo, that's fine. Again, you're not going to get $1 out of Fubo. You know, if you get a couple of cents out of it, take you. What are you laughing at, Frankie? My language? We have a whole new language in the green room. We have our own language. All right, Fubo, we're starting at 132, guys. We're getting down there now. That would be, we got it below a 20 RSI, so we'll take a little look. I mean, Airbnb. And of course it bounces. Right when we want to get in, it bounces. As soon as I'm out, they pull me back in. Wow, Playboy. All right, bounce right off the 47.50. Good. Good. Keep a tight stop. Keep a tight stop, Lee. If you're in it, I like 45.25 in Playboy. I love 45.25. Is the market coming in here, guys? A little bit. QQQ's coming in a little bit. Yeah. Yep. Tesla. Look at how the shorts, guys. Everything hit our pivot points and just could not get above. Going down to 131 in Airbnb now. Marker. Let it come in. Well, we had a couple of trades. We got a little bit on and $1 on, and just hasn't been not an easy morning, right? Oh, nice job in Playboy, guys. Take your 50 cents. Boom, chaka, laka, laka. Move on to the next trade. 45.92 is the next spot. SQM. So I got 100 people in my room. I have no idea how many are visiting us from Benzinga. I'm trying to keep my eyes on everything. SQM is a better short, Kurt Scrambler. If it can rally up to one of our trend lines, here's where a lot of people get in trouble when they trade. Okay, they see a stock going down and they start buying it because they can't think it goes any lower. This stock is in a downtrend. I do not want to buy this stock anywhere unless it hits a daily or weekly level, and I want to short it if it rallies up. Okay, so there's no such thing as a stock that can't keep going lower. A lot of people get in trouble doing that. I had a lot of people come into my room that were long as shitloads of Mara and Riot and Fubo and Plug. I got them out of it 6-7 points higher than where they are now. And I think they're all going lower too. Gamestop. Whoa. 166 could be a little spot in GameStop. Facebook looks to be trending. Facebook trending now. Yeah, but look, it's just a mess, Terry. It's up, it's down, it's up, it's down, it's sideways. BTX, I hate that stock. All right. Can we short BTX? Because I'd love to short it at 24.25. Gus, if we go in that direction. That would be a spicy meatball. Yeah, telephone merge with Discover or whatever it is. I don't know. I don't think there's a lot of money in it. UVXY couldn't get filled. Didn't fill at 438. What's better than UVXY is the VIXY. I know that's nice and cheap, the UVXY. But if we're going to play these, Trilla, I like to be long VIXY when the market goes down. That's the one I like because it's going to move a lot more. UVXY is going to move 10 cents at a time. It's not even worth doing. Airbnb bounced. Coin bounced. I don't always get to all the trades that everybody in my room does because I'm juggling about 600 people right now, which is fine. Oh, all right, Patty. That's fine. Whenever it works for you. Let's talk about the first thing I'm going to do. Okay. This might be the last week, Patty, but I will save you a spot. You can do the trial at any time. Anyone who is listening to us right now can come in this week for free and watch us trade all week live. Okay? Anyone who wants, that's greenroom-live.com. Come in, download Webinato, come on into the room. All 5 days this week, everybody is invited. Greenroom-live.com. Come hang out and trade the markets live with us all week. Next week is our boot camp, so we don't have any visitors. But this week, everybody is welcome. That's number one surprise. I got a couple more later when we slow down a little bit. All right, so everyone in here, all right? Give me some ones if you guys appreciate that and are going to come visit me this week. Greenroom-live.com. Come on in all week. Do some lessons, and we'll teach everything live. Wow, Playboy, perfect, guys. Nice job in Playboy, guys. So here, trade that my whole room got in Playboy. Bought it at $47.30. Just gave $1.30. I mean, we wouldn't have been in it for $1.30, but nice. Nice dollar off that level. Technical analysis. Perfectly hit our 200 EMA, which is the strongest EMA. Wow. Snow. All right. I mean, if anyone got snow at 211, good. Now you can have a break-even stop. Start selling some for 80, 90 cent profit. All right? So break-even stop in snow. Start selling a little above 212 if it gets in that direction. Very nice. Nice job in snow. Yeah, Fubo 2050, you can buy a little bit. I wouldn't panic out if I'm in it. I'd probably add at 2050. A little bitski. Next spot in snow, if we break here, 209, guys. 209. So keep your eyes on that. It hasn't really broken yet. But 209 could be a good spot. VIXY trend trade. Why? You don't like the market? You don't like the market? Wow, the market's coming in pretty good here, huh? Look at that. Yeah, I see. I see. All right. I'll tell you what, though. We'll short some VIXY if we get up to 41.50. Let's put that out. That's a nice trade. Yeah. VIXY's always a short. But that's a story for another day. Yeah, anyone who wants can come over to the green room now if you want. Whatever works for you. Or wait till we're done this morning. I got 2 more surprises for everybody before we leave. I don't know. Do we like it, Gus? It's straight down $2 in Baidu. Eric, you guys like this? You want to try it? Oh, forget it. We missed it. So that was our 65 EMA in Baidu at 188. Just gave a quick 60 cents. Good call, guys. Great call. In and out. So everything we do here, guys, is based on technical analysis, right? You've seen 4 or 5 trades set up this morning that have worked perfectly off of our moving averages. Nice job, guys, in Baidu. I got there a little late. Whoa. All right, yeah. Zoom, 303.50. We are definitely doing that. Small. You know, when you see the market going down, you got to stay away from buying trend trades and stuff. Because the market's getting crushed right now. Why do I want to get involved on the long side of anything? Right? So we got 303.50 and we got 301.60. Well, you want to be real conservative? I'm going to 301.60. Small. I can't see anything in your room. Everything is freeze. I will figure it out, Monica. It's not frozen to everybody else. We're looking good. Guys, when I cancel an order on my screen, please cancel your order. All right? Just keep your eyes on my order box. Baidu. Yeah, I mean, we can't like Baidu second time down here, right? So what's the next level? 186 Baidu. That would be the spot. That would be the spot. Monica, if your things are freezing on you, try logging in and out because everyone else is fine. We're going to get little bounces here now, guys and gals, is my guess. All right, nothing goes down in a straight line. APLS. And it's kind of strong, this one, right? Wouldn't even break the 90 APLS. Any trends, guys, you are considering doing, do very, very small with tight stops. All right? Because when the market's going down like this, I'm not looking to buy stocks. You know what I'm saying? What do you get $2 in, Tim? UPST? Oh, you know I hate that stock with a passion. You got 96.50 in UPST? That looks good. If you got it. It went straight up $2 is right. So take the money and run. Good morning, good morning, good morning, Gus. Yeah, NUE is good. All right, this is a gold stock, right? Mining, NUE, gold or mining. So look how beautiful, guys, NUE was when it pulled back and hit our trend. That's what I'm talking about, an uptrend. It exactly hit it at 102.60. You got $1.70 on that trade already, right? That's beautiful. Beautiful. What up, Billy James? All right, EM's bouncing a little bit. Vixie's probably coming in a little bit. Yep. All right. Do the can on the orders we have out right now. Airbnb daily pivot 129.20. I would have been all over that. Yeah. All right. Airbnb could be setting up for a trend. All right. I would wait till the 135 and change. Target and AMC. Let's take a look. Target looks okay. Again, it was a better spot to buy it at that 211 and change, right? AMC. AMC's a buy. You know, from this morning, that 1380 level, look, this thing's not going to go up $2 in one pot, but it looks like a better buy, guys. I would be doing options. Last week, we did the 13 options, 13 calls, and it worked nicely. So I would do options in that, if anything, AMC. Higher options. Whoa, Gamestop, 171.30. We got to short a little. Yes. Especially if we do it fast, right? Quick in and out trade if it gets there. That's going to be $10 away from the moving average. Oh, tell me we didn't just miss it. We just got to 171, guys. This has $1 spread in it now, too. Kiss my ass, GameStop. Nice call, Gus. Damn it. So look at this, everybody in the room, right? We were just offered at 171.30. And the stock went straight down $3. You got to be kidding me. We missed it by 30 cents for a $3 trade. It's a better buy now anyway, but still, that would have been a spectacular trade. We would have made $2 before we could have switched our trade. Camille, you got it? Good. Good. Yeah, upstop was great down there if you got it. I hate that stock. Long AMC on this run. Yeah, we talked about it last week, Born. I like it now. We were looking at buying 13 calls at the beginning of last week. They were like 10 cents. So maybe you buy 16 calls for this week. Right? Very nice. Missed the coin by a penny. Oh, my God. Just got to 238. Yeah. Look, I think this coin's in trouble. I'm not talking about today, but if this market goes down at all, this thing's going below 200. 244 would be the short in coin, Eric. Yes. Yes, 244. Be conservative. Go up a little higher. Well, Mitch, we mentioned it early in the morning at that 1370 range. You know, it's not a big trade, but that was a nice place to buy it when it pulled back right here to our trend, 1380. You know, look, you're going to buy this for a trade. You got to buy, 5,000 shares. At least that's what I'd be doing. And then you make a couple of banana skins on it. Playboy. Yeah, 45.30 Playboy. Let's get it out. I like it. PLBY. So we're looking at Playboy now. Our next support level, if we break here, is our pivot point down to 45.25, which we will definitely buy. for a trade, so we'll go 5 cents above it. 45.30. Good. Tilray, not for me, but we'll look. Again, Tilray is another one. Now let's go right to the daily chart. Again, if I like Tilray, I would buy 16 calls for this week. Boom, chaka-laka laka. Right? That's the way to play it. Let's see how much they are. Let's see where Tilray is. At 30 cents. I'm going to grab one. Buying a Tilray 16 call for this week for 29 cents. Keeps going, but I'm only risking $29 now. If it has a good week, keeps going up, we could make a couple of banana skins. Otherwise, we're risking $20. No big deal. Let me see, guys. Let me see. AMC. No. Market going down again. Good. Well, let's go right to the daily and the spiders, right? I think it's that, not that this is important anymore, but look, we're sitting right on 415.50. It doesn't mean anything because we went up so far and down so far. It doesn't mean anything. It means nothing in the big scheme of things. Coin looks like it's done going down for the moment. Tesla, I don't know. Tesla 495 is my target on a down move from here. Nokia, I would not mess with Nokia in any way, shape, or form. It's a $4 stock. There ain't nothing there for us. Gold. Gold's getting a little bit of a bid. Again, this whole move is 40 cents in gold, but it looks like it's a better buy than sell. Apple 125 pivot. AAPL. If it went fast, maybe Apple. How is David live trading and there's only 59 likes? Really? I'm leaving. 59 likes. If that doesn't go over 200 in the next 5 minutes, I'm leaving. You let me know, Aaron. Yeah, market coming in a little bit. Oh, there's nothing setting up. Here's the problem. Give me something, guys and gals. Yeah, Nokia is just not a stock to trade. All right, I'll leave. You tell me. Can I explain how to read pivot points? Not right now. That's something we do in the course or in the boot camp. Look, it's 10:14. We're already losing volume in the market, right? This is going to be a real barn burner in another half hour or so. That's okay. A bunch of people got the trades that they need already for the day, and they're on their way out. Look, GameStop's just a buy, right? You know, when it finally hit that pivot point, it gave you $1. Nice, but it's a buy on a pullback. 115 likes. I need 85 more or I'm leaving. Futu. Futu off the pivot point, guys. 115.60 for $3. Yeah, we missed that. We missed that one off the pivot point. Now we're at 123 likes. Well, 76 more or I'm gone. GameStop. Wow, GameStop got $3 in 3 seconds. In 7 seconds. Oh my God.
Let's go, Zinger Nation. We got about 60 more likes to get up to 200. I want more trades from David this morning.
We all tried.
We got some there, but we need to get at least 50 more to get up to that 200 number.
Can I like twice?
Yeah, get on your parents' account or something, make a new one.
Guys, look at this. Look at GameStop, 171.45 for a little $2.50 trade in 30 seconds. Not too shabby. There you go, Velt. Futu, GameStop, upst. Don't short UPST. I hate that stock. Hate it, hate it, hate it. No, 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 no. Wow. Futu was gorgeous off the pivot point, too. All I know is, guys, the people in my room are absolutely crushing it today, and I'm missing all these trades. George, come into the room for free this week, and we'll talk about the boot camp. All right? Greenroom-live.com. Everybody who wants can come in for free this week. Offering SQ at 202. I like the short. Good. Solly, what are you doing in coin? It must be going up because we haven't heard from you all morning. 244 could be a little short in coin on the trend. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. 244. Wow, GameStop was pretty freaking good today, huh? Sick. Now it's in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, guys, come into the room, hang out. We'll talk about the boot camp later on in the week. Don't worry about it. For now. Canceling Playboy. Yeah, it's not doing anything. I don't know if the market's a long or a short now. I don't know. All I know is anytime we have any kind of decent pullback in the market, it's just a buy. That's the bottom line. Any kind of big. You know, we were looking last week, guys. Everybody who's visiting, right? And this was a level in the spiders that I wanted to buy everything for a trade. It was around at the time, I don't know, like 401, and it got to 404. We just couldn't quite get there. Now we're in nowhere's land as far as the overall market is concerned. Green Room info is Aaron, pop up greenroom-live.com if you got a second, please. Greenroom-live.com. You'll go there, you use password green15, you'll download Omnovia, and you'll bop into the room. There you go. Use password green15, download Omnovia, and bop into the room. Yeah, GameStop is a trend trade, guys, right? 165.50 and 164. Yes. So now that GameStop make these giant runs up, telling us that it wants to go up for the rest of the day, right? So I want to be long on a pullback. 165.50, we do small. And guys, I do everything very small here, but when I'm doing 25 or 50 shares, there's people in the room doing thousands of shares every time we do a trade. Yep, market just turned up. I made my nut. I'm out. You guys have a great day. Ooh, I love it. Nice job, Terry. Get out of here. It's another thing I tell everybody in the room. When you make your money in the morning, you leave. Bye-bye. It's never going to get better than it is early in the morning. That's just always the way it is. You have 4 or 5 trades early in the morning, it ain't getting better than that. You leave. Period. Boyle on a trend trade. We mentioned Boyle this morning. It just didn't pull back and give us a spot to get in, but it looks really good. I like Boyle. Coin price target 375. Big deal. They have thousands and hundreds and $1 million price targets. The bottom line in coin is it held that 238 and change for a nice $5 trade. DISCA. Don't like it. DISCA looks weak. I don't like it. 35, I would like DISCA. 35. I guess we can get rid of Playboy now, right, guys and gals? Well, let's leave it for a couple more minutes. See what happens. AMC. It's hanging. Coin, you're flat at 244. Okay. There you go. You must have added a shitload to that, but you made a couple of bucks. Good. X. Double top at pivot. I doubt X set up for a double top. I'll tell you why. It only went down like 70 cents. We need for a double top the stock to go down at least $1 from its first price. And this only went down about 60 cents. So not a lot of meat to be made on that bone if it does get there and goes back down. Tesla rallying? Not really. Tesla really looks like crap. Disney short. Yes, I would rather be short Disney than long if it gets up to a pivot point. Absolutely. Yes, yes, yes. Wow, nice rip in the spies, huh? Well, that's why everything rallied. Tesla. GameStop. All right, GameStop, do it. 165.20. GameStop. Let's go down a little bit. Keep GameStop small. 165.20 and 164. I like both those levels. So keep it small. 165.20. Boom chakalaka laka. And then 164 GameStop. I like a lot bigger. 164. Boom, boom. Dave hit my numbers. Thanks as always. I'm out of here. Welcome, Ken. Get out of here. I love when people text me at 10:22 and they're done for the day. Yeah, Chris is breaking out on a daily. So here's another one that it might be too late, but it would be an options play, if anything. Stock looks good. So I would try to buy it on a pullback now. If you get one in Chris. Disney short. Let's go take a peek. Yeah, if we get up to that 170.30, I like it. TQQQ, I like trading the TQQQs. Triple ETF. Maybe a short up at 94.70, Latif, if we can get that high. I like it, I like it, I like it. W. W would be a double top if we go in that direction. 100%. Crocs. Man, I remember when Crocs was going out of business a couple of years ago. Nobody was wearing them anymore. Crocs is a better buy. I would not want to be short Crocs. It's a better buy. Short would be up at 104.50. That would be the spot. Did we just miss GameStop, guys, by a little bit? We missed GameStop by 30 cents. Went straight up $2. So here's the idea behind a trend trade, just so everybody knows. Stock is super strong. Pulls back, hits our 9 EMA. We want to be long. Hits our 15 EMA. We want to be longer. So we just missed buying it by 30 cents, and it gave a $1.60 trade already. So this is all the technical analysis that we use. This is all the technical analysis that we teach you in our course. This is all the technical analysis that we teach you in our boot camp. You guys have seen, I don't know, 7 or 8 examples this morning of stocks hitting our levels and just bouncing up from exactly the spot that we get in. Green, can't get in your room. Greenroom-live.com. Use password green15. Download Webinato. Then enter room. So once here, let me show you real quick. All right, so nobody has a problem. Go to the free trial. Hit it. Download Webinato. Open it. Use password green15 and bop on in. I am an attendee. And you should be able to bop right in. A lot of people are coming in, so it's working. All right, we're going to wait till 164 now in GameStop. Cancel this Playboy. That ain't happening. NVIDIA. I hate NVIDIA. DISC. Let's look. DISCA. DISCA. Ugh. Told you guys I didn't like this. It's just ugly. 35, at least it's down $1 from here. Right? An update for what, Joe? NVIDIA. NVIDIA is on my do not trend list. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. Got NVIDIA at 558. Ooh, that was nice off the pivot point down there, OP. Well, if you're asking me, I'd be out of the entire trade right now. Thank you very much. I made $5. Sell 3/4 of it and see if you can get a little more out of it. But if I got NVIDIA at 558, I'm out of 75% of my trade. Thank you. Look, what we're doing here is trade. It's the bottom line. We trade. It's getting to resistance now. So I would sell most of my stock. If it gets above, that's great. Billy James, if you're having a problem, send me an email at dgreen927@yahoo.com. dgreen927@yahoo.com. I'll help you get in. We're still 25 likes short. Kiss my ass. Everything is rallying now, guys. Now we got to see if the spiders are going to go sideways here and rip up, or we're just going to kind of hang out and do nothing. Every chart looks the same, right, Lee? I wouldn't short Peloton now. I kind of just hang out. I don't think I'd short anything right now. Gold looks good on a weekly. Let's look at gold. Yeah, it is breaking out. It certainly is. I think we talked about silver last week, right? Yep. Looks good. STX? No, that's fine. Keep bringing it up. Keep bringing it up, Seagate. Wow. Again, I wouldn't want to short it. I want to be a better buyer. I want to be a better buyer than a seller in STX. Wackadoodle market again today. What's wackadoodle? Ooh, Tilray. There we go. There we go, Tilray. Boom chakalaka. We're up $8 on our option already. 10 cents we're up, Pete. Sold. Bitcoin 20,000 next month. I don't know if Musk keeps opening his mouth, maybe. I have a target in Bitcoin, guys, where I'm going to start buying the Riot and Mara. And that target is 36,500. Mark it down. 36,500 is where I will start buying Mara for a trade anyway. And I think it'll put this right around $16, Mara, which I really like. $17. That's my target in Bitcoin. It's down 7,000 points from here. I don't think it's going to happen anytime soon, but whatever. That's what I'm looking at. UNFI, done for the day. See you tomorrow. Excellent, Elver. Excellent. All right, next thing we have to talk about, ladies and gentlemen, and this doesn't cost anything, okay? We just started a Facebook page. We're already up to about 800 members. I want everybody in this room to join that. It doesn't cost a dime. We're going to be doing some cool stuff with that. I'm going to be doing some lives with me and Peter, some teaching. Wednesday, this week, Wednesday at 1 p.m., we're going live for our first time on our Facebook page. The Facebook page is Wall Street Global Trading Academy. There you go. We just posted it. Aaron just posted it. www.facebook groups, Wall Street, blah, 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 blah. Everybody come into that. It doesn't cost anything. Okay? Zero. I will accept everybody in. Aaron just posted it 3 times. Come on in. Doesn't cost a dime. We're starting on Wednesday with a nice meet and greet lunch. 0.0 to join. 0.0. And Nikolai's finally showing a little life, right? Let's look at this one. There's another one in NKLA, right? If you like it, buy some options. That's what you play in NKLA. It's just starting to break out, right? So you buy some 15 calls for this week and see if you can get a little action in it. I like that too. GameStop missed by 17 cents. No, say it ain't so. Oh my God. We missed 164 by 17 cents. All right. We went straight up $1. So when something comes really close, guys, okay, and miss us by a couple of pennies, chances are if it goes back down there again, it's going to go through. So that's why I'll cancel it. I wanted it right down there, and I know we would have got $1 out of it already. So now if it kind of hangs around here, the next spot we like is 160, 150. Boom. That would be beautiful. Do I think we'll get all the way down there? Probably not, but we'll see. Again, by waiting and being patient and disciplined, we are putting the odds in our favor on every trade that we do. Every trade. How can we trade ZM on the trend? Can't, Joe. It's been above it. It's been below it. It's been above it. It's been below it. Jeff, I signed in for the green room on Friday and lost my. How do I get back in? You should be able to go through the same process, Jeff, and get back in. Okay, same process. Go to greenroom-live.com, password green15, download Webinato. Come on in. Come on in. What's Solomon doing? What are you guys doing? PLC's up $10. Wow. And it's still a trend trade PLC. Boom, chaka, laka, laka. So 86.50 and then 85.30 in PLCE. Two levels we want to be long. That is a trend trade. Boom, chaka, laka, laka. TTD. Is there a school or a class I can do to get better at this? 100%, Steph. That's what we're going to talk about next before I leave. Yes. Yeah, it's a tricky day in the market. I agree with everybody. It's a tricky day. No, don't try to short Amazon double top. No. I mean, I wouldn't anyway. It's $3,000 stock, not for me. Fubo. Again, there's nothing here in Fubo. Nothing to trade, Cairo. I wouldn't buy it at 2020. It's only down 30 cents. Yeah, Steph, we have a course that we just launched that is spectacular. A lot of people in Benzinga have taken the course and joined. We'll talk about it in a few minutes. Then you come into the room, trade with me for a week, and then if you want, you can do our live boot camp. Done for the day, green day. Thanks, Dave. There we go. Get out of here. Boom, chaka, laka, laka. CVNA. All right, CVNA. Now, the first thing I do, I look up any chart hurt. What am I doing? What are my thoughts? And if I see a stock that is below all the moving averages, I want to short it when it goes up. And I do not want to be long. And this is the exact opposite that people who don't know how to trade look at. They look at a stock and they think it's down. It has to go up from here. No. Odds are it's going down from here. But I don't want to short it until it gets to one of our trend lines. That's where it would be a good short. Gamestop tested again. Might break this time. I don't know. It actually did break. So let's go out and GameStop at that 160, 150. We could be a little aggressive there. I kind of like that if we spike down $3. 160, 150. Definitely like that. I have one share of AB back in December at 148. Just bought another share at 132. Well, Nate, here's the question, right? Here is the question. Did you have a profit in that stock at one period and let it go down? Right? Yeah, December, the stock was at $157. Okay? So my question to you is, why didn't you take your profits when it went up to $220? That's my question to you. And even on long-term investments, this is what you guys have to learn. Okay? There's a time to pull the trigger and take your profits. Period. So now you're buying more on the way down, which isn't great. When you first bought it at 157, you sell it and take 50-point trade on it. Then even if you want to get back in, you start buying in slowly. Slowly. Yeah, but Nate, even for a long-term investment, you take profits. I'm just giving you my advice. You take profits. You don't sit in a stock, let it go up $50, and then watch it go down $80 without taking some profits. That's all. That's all I'm saying. Airbnb, we got nothing to 128.10. Even on look, I've owned Apple for 30 years. Okay, since 1985, I have owned Apple. Do I not sell some at times so I can buy it back when it goes down? You bet I do. Of course. And there's nothing wrong with doing that in all your long-term investments. You trim, you take profits. And then when they pull back, you add to them. But that's a story for another day. Listen, you live and learn. You know, you live and learn. BRCN just kind of bounced off the VWAP. That was nice down there. Pivot point. APLS. Again, right? We talked about APLS, Manny. The spot to buy it was 51.30. It just gave you $1 off the 15-minute EMA. This is a trend trade. It hit our 15 EMA, and you're up $1. Boom. Is there a way to optimize buying pullbacks on Spider for long-term investing? Of course there is. Yes. You just got to get the levels where you want to get involved. Yes, Ramon. Am I buying anything for a long-term investment right now other than when I'm in already? No way. Not for me. But yeah, even when we were looking at the Spiders last week, right? You know, we wanted to get a little bit on this weekly level. We just missed it. But if we're talking overall, if I'm not in this market at all, right, and I might miss, I don't buy Spiders till we get to 360, which is down, 10% from here. That's it. I wouldn't get involved in this. I want a nice pullback before I get involved. But if you're young, it doesn't make a difference where you get involved because eventually it's going back up anyway. So if you're young, you just keep investing. And you forget that you have it. That's it. I got some SPY at the 404, 405 level. Would I sell some now? Of course I would. Why are you even asking me that question, Joe? You got a 10-point profit on it. Sell half and hope you're wrong on a balance. Labu's sitting in the middle of everything. Nothing to do there right now, vegan. Donkey Kong. I know it's DraftKings, guys. I call it Donkey Kong because of the symbol. Nope, there's nothing to do in Donkey Kong right now. Just dead. So anytime I put up a chart, ladies and germs, and we are looking at Think or Swim, everybody in my room uses Think or Swim for charting. Okay? Everybody uses Think or Swim for charting. So we're all looking at the same thing. So I put up a chart. I'm looking for trading opportunities. When something's sitting in the middle of everything and not moving, there's nothing to do. GameStop went the other way. It bounced. Yeah, all right, but it's not a trade. BABA far from moving average trade. Not yet. We don't have the 80 RSI. And BABA here, it's telling us to short 213.80. I'm 22. I would really like to do day trading. What do you think it's worth it? You want me to give you the bullshit answer, Steven, or you want me to give you the right answer? You tell me. 22-year-old, is it worth day trading? You want the real answer or the lying answer?
I think you got to give it to him straight, David.
All right, I'll give you the real answer. No, the answer is no. At 22 years old, I don't want you day trading and trying to day trade for a living. Absolutely not. Negative. Especially if it's something you're looking to pay your bills with, right? This is a difficult thing to do. So I don't want anyone doing that. At 22, you're just starting out, okay? What you should be doing at 22 is if you like Nike, buy one share of Nike. If you like Apple, buy one share of Apple. Whatever the products are you're using are the things you should be investing in, and find something else to do with the rest of your life. Now, that being said, this is a great skill to learn, okay? It's a great skill to learn that you can take with you for the rest of your life. And that I highly suggest. So you can do that a couple of ways. You can buy the course. You'll be investing $400 for something that you can take with you for the rest of your life. So that's what I suggest you do. Learn about it. But no, not at 22 years old. You don't want to start doing this. Just my personal opinion.
All right, and just a quick like update, David. We're at 192. We need 8
Ooh.
more. If you guys want
Ooh.
to see David back with us tomorrow morning or another day this week, we got to get up to 200. He told me before the stream he's not coming on if we don't get to 200. So let's get up there, team.
Really? Baidu has earnings tomorrow. Wow. Okay. Now the market's ripping up. So that's what I mean, guys. Look, it's just a difficult morning today. It is. And we found 4 or 5 trades that work. But this is hard to trade when you spike down and then the spiders spike up $1. We spike down, we spike up $1.
Oh, there we go. I guess they want to see you back because we just got up to 209 real quick when I said that. So
excellent. I was only kidding. It's got to be 250 or I'm not coming back. I got in, man. Billy, what'd you get in, man? GameStop is strong to trade with market more so now. I don't know. GameStop is dead now. It's kind of hanging in the middle. It's not doing anything. AMD was good off the pivot point this morning, I see. Look at that. So I see if you look at our pivot point in GameStop, right out of the gate, we hit 73.50. That was the spot. Boom. Gave you a $1.50 trade. Is that crazy? Facebook, I don't know if it ever set up. Not really. Not for me. Not technically. I would have needed that 310.67. And here's the thing. I might miss some trades, guys, but I'm not doing a trade until my technical analysis tells me to. That's the bottom line. I'm not doing a trade until one of my charts tell me to do it. Palantir's at 20. All right, good. It's at 2040, actually. You know, we made a trade in Palantir last week or the week before where we bought it at 18.20. We added to it at 16.50, and we sold it over $20. Again, I like the long-term story in this. I just like to get a better entry in it, like $16 or so. But I like Palantir. I like it long-term. It's actually the only stock that Cathie Wood owns that I really like long-term. The other ones I'm not so crazy about. But, you know, when you're talking about people like Cathie Woods, they can buy stocks and keep adding to them until the cows come home.
What about Apple?
Apple's been dead money since the last 2 earnings reports, right? I mean, let's go to the weekly chart. You know, all they do is consistently beat their numbers and beat the hell out of them. And it's just dead money for the last 6 months. I don't think it's as good as it used to be, quite honestly.
So have you significantly downsized in your position?
Yes. Listen, you buy this for your kids, I think you're going to be okay, right? But just look over the last, I don't know, 6 months to a year, the stock has done nothing, no matter how good the earnings have been. So I just think people are finding other places to go to, Aaron, and they're just doing things that give them a little better return right now. So, yeah, I mean, you know, I think we could see 110 in a bad market, Apple. It's just not the way it was. I don't know what else. Go ahead, Aaron.
I was just going to say there's been a lot of these big name blue chip tech stocks that really haven't done anything in the past. I mean, if you look at Amazon was trading higher than it was right now in September.
Yep.
So it's interesting to see a lot of these. You know, I don't know if that's a sign that some of these companies are losing some of the wind behind their sails after 20 years of amazing returns.
That's right. And it's also the new trader effect with all these brand new retail traders we have. Everyone wants a quick buck, and you're not getting that anymore by buying Amazon and Apple, and you know, it's just not happening anymore. Even Facebook and Babo, all these things basically haven't done much of anything for a while now. You know, look, every daily chart we look at in these things, it's just kind of been dead money for a long time. And I just think the whole market philosophy is changing. So great companies. I mean, they're all great. Amazon is spectacular. Facebook's spectacular. Apple's spectacular. But look, I still like it long term. Any of them I think you're going to be okay with. And that's another thing. Apple split, right? Maybe 6 months ago or a year, and it hasn't been the same trader since then. Just hasn't been since it split. Airbnb, yes. 128.10. We will buy Airbnb. STX has been going all day. The stock is just a better buy if we can get a pullback, right? So every time this stock is pulled back to a trend line, it stopped going down and started going up. So I want to buy it. Trick is we got to be patient and buy it if it pulls back to our trend line. So we got 101.50 and 172. Nobody can make money with Apple anymore. I got guys in my room commenting on it too. Yeah, Microsoft too, another one, right? For the last 6 months, whatever. And again, there's no better companies than these. These things are great companies. It's just dead money right now. And that's not to say, here's what will happen, right? God forbid we ever have a correction or something in this market. They're going to run to those stocks. They're going to run back to those stocks because they're basically safe havens now. So they're fine long term. It's just they've all been dead money. Yeah, you can sell covered calls on Apple now. Absolutely. Just collect a premium, right? I don't mind that at all. Don't mind that at all. At all. Mara moving up or down. Ooh, Mara getting a little boppity bop bop. See, I don't want to short Mara at 22.50. It's only $1 up. It's not that stretched out. Not crazy about it. Bitcoin's going up. See, when I see Mara going up, usually Bitcoin's going up, and Bitcoin had a little spike up. That's why. Ethereum had a little spike up. So I have Microsoft at 205 since September 8th. Should I sell? It depends on, it depends on how long you're going to be in this, Nate. You're going to be in it for a long time. I don't know how much you have. Like we were talking about earlier, no matter what stocks you're in, you got to take profits at some point. If I didn't sell it at 260, do I want to sell it at 245? Probably not. Probably not. You just forget about it. Hold on for it for 20 years, and it'll be a lot better than it is now. Gus, what are you in? What are you in? Yeah, but a $40 profit depends on how many shares you have, right? If you have 100 shares, it's $4,000. You're in coin? In coin where? Long, I hope. What are you doing in coin? Roku double top? No. Where did you get long coin? I don't see it, Gus. But okay. 244. Oh, Momo breakout. Anyone else get in the coin with Gus 244 for the Momo breakout? I like it. Nice job. Well, obviously, it's easy to say now. Gus, there's streets named after you in Brooklyn. I didn't see that post. You son of a beeswax. I got Ford this morning from Billy Joel. Ford. Yeah, Ford's another one. I'd probably do options, if anything. But, look, you're not going to get hurt in Ford. But another one, for the last 6 months, it's had about $1 range. Look, we're talking about two different things now, ladies and gentlemen. All right? We're talking about investing and we're talking about trading. So, investing is a different conversation for a different day. I'm a trader. We make our money trading every day. That's what we do. We try to make little amounts of money that add up to bigger amounts of money at the end of the day, week, month, and year. Completely different ball game from investing, right? Blue Horseshoe loves coin. DISCA. It's horrible, guys. Do not buy DISCA. This is horrendous. All it's doing is going down. My goal is to be financially. What do you think I should do? Well, Steven, I'll tell you what you should do. And it's not, you're 22 years old. It shouldn't all be about money right now. Everyone's goal is to be financially independent. But my father didn't give me a lot of good advice. But some of the things he told me were okay. And he said, find something you want. And this is not his. Find something you love to do. You'll never work a day in your life. That's number one. And number two, I don't care what you do. Be the best at it that there ever was. That's the attitude that you have to have. Or marry rich. I like that, Webb. Right? The attitude that you have to have. Okay? No, coin is not a good long-term investment. The attitude that you have to have is, I'm going to be the best at whatever it is I do. Period. When I started working on the Florida New York Stock Exchange in 1985, I started taking messages back and forth as what we call a runner. And I was making $85 a week. And I said to myself, I'm going to be the best runner that there ever was on the Florida New York Stock Exchange. And I hustled my ass off, and I got my first job, and I got my second job there, and then I got my third job, and up and up and up and up and up. And I retired when I was 38 years old. So whatever it is you're going to do, no matter how shitty you start out, and most of us have, you got to eat some crow. You got to do whatever you have to do to be the best at whatever it is you're doing. That's it. Everything else will come with it. And again, it doesn't matter what you do. You shovel shit in a circus, be the best shit shoveler there ever was. That's it. So that's my advice. All right, I want to talk about one more thing. Last thing we're going to talk about. I retired at 38. Yes, I know. Everyone always tells me, David, you're not retired. You work harder now than you did when you were 38 years old. But this isn't work for me, right? This is not work in any way, shape, or form. Again, find something you love to do and you'll never work a day in your life, right? But this is not work. I love it. I love it. I love every day. I love helping people. It's great. It's the best ever. That's right. All right, last thing we're going to talk about is our trading course, all right? And we have partnered with Benzinga to make this really affordable for everybody. This is the best course I have ever done in my life. It's wallstreetglobaltradingacademy.com. This is spectacular, guys. I did a course with Investopedia like 4 years back. This just crushes it in every way, shape, or form. It's 6 hours of videos and lessons, right? Let me show you the members area. The greatest thing about this, guys and gals, is every Thursday night, anyone who buys this course, we do live mentorship forever. So once you have bought this course, every Thursday night, we get together, we answer all questions. Last Thursday was spectacular, right? So here's what's in the course, guys and gals. This is everything. Language of the stock market, money management, chart basics, trading techniques, swing trading, options trading, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. And there's your Zoom link every Thursday night at 5 o'clock. We get together and I answer any questions you have about it. So you're getting continued mentorship with it. This course is great. It's awesome. Thank you, guys. You're getting continued mentorship with this course for as long as you're with us. It is wallstreetglobaltradingacademy.com. What we've done with Benzinga, and only for Benzinga people, is we have reduced the price of the course. And we reduced the price of the course from $500, $499, down to $399. So for $400, you're getting 6 hours in the course, and you're getting me every Thursday night to go over any questions that you have. And here it is, just for Benzinga, 20% off, compliments of Benzinga, $399. For those who don't know anything about trading, you'll know what you need to know to start trading by the end of this video and our mentorship. If you've been trading for a while and you're struggling, this is the place to be. All right, so that's wallstreetglobaltradingacademy.com. Sign up for the course. You'll see me every Thursday night. So 3 things that we talked about today. 1, everybody's invited into my room for the rest of this week. It is the last week before our boot camp. That is greenroom-live.com. Follow the instructions, come into the room. 2, everybody should be attached to our Facebook group now. We're coming on Wednesday afternoon at 1 o'clock. Say hello to everybody, and we're going to do a lot of cool stuff in that room. Doesn't cost a dime. Wall Street Global Trading Academy Facebook page. Okay? That's 2. And number 3, everybody come on into the room. And let's hang out for a few more minutes if we got, Aaron, and see if anything else sets up. But I don't think anything else is going to.
Yep, we do got a few more minutes. I also just put a message up there. If you like our live trading show, subscribe to the Benzinga channel. That you'll get notifications when we go live, and you won't miss out on any live trading that we do on the channel.
Yeah, that was going to be my last thing, guys. Everybody in here has to realize what a great resource Benzinga is. I could not trade without it. Okay, I'm being honest with you guys. Sometimes we get trades off the premium news service that the whole service is paid for in half of a trade because we got there a little before somebody else did. And almost everybody in my room is subscribed to the Benzinga news service. So that's something that you guys absolutely have to do. And again, you get access to all this great content. Right. So guys and girls, if you want, How many people want to do this again tomorrow? Give me some ones.
I know I do. Oh, here we got IC Smith in the comments saying, heard David and Peter on the last Benzinga boot camp. Absolutely stellar information. And that's the thing, y'all, is there's a lot of people out here now that we have more retail traders coming in that want to be, stock market influencers and give their advice and post stocks, but take it from the guys who have been doing it for a while, like David and Peter. They know what they're doing.
Yeah, it's so important and this is why we're trying to get to as many people as possible, right? You guys are hearing about all the people that became Gamestop and AMC and all these meme stocks millionaires, right? Trust me when I tell you, there's 1,000 times more people who got caught in these things and blew up their trading accounts. So what we're trying to do is get to those people before they run in and just start listening to everybody else who's out there who is telling you the absolutely wrong thing. And this is not something that is a get-rich-quick scheme overnight, all right? That's not how this works. I tell all my beginning traders, and even some of those with a little experience, this is a 3 to 6 month process. That's how long it's going to take you to get comfortable with this stuff. And it's not rags to riches, okay? There's a lot more people who went from riches to rags than go from rags to riches. And it's a tough environment right now, right? We're finally getting some volatility in the market, which is good, but you have to know how to navigate that. So that's our goal. I'm trying to get as many people as we can educated at a price that people can afford to do it. I know people in my room that spent $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 on classes, right, before they came to me. Number one, they don't get any mentorship with it, which means nobody's helping you and answering your questions after you've taken a course. Or number two, some of these people are going into trading rooms where the only people that are making money in that room are the people who are running the room. And they might be buying big blocks of these penny stocks and then telling everybody to buy them. And they're the only ones that are making money, right? There is a lot of crap out there. There is some good. There's no question. There's a lot of people look, we're not the only ones who know what we're doing. There's plenty of good. Benzinga has people on all day long. These people know what they're doing. Otherwise, Aaron would not have them on there. Okay. So you have to understand that, all these people are being vetted by them. These aren't people who are looking to just show you something and take money from you, right? That's a big difference between what me and Aaron do and what a lot of other people out there do. They just want to take your money. And I'm not interested in that. I am not interested in that in any way, shape, or form. So for everybody out there, you got to learn how to do this the right way if it's something you're interested in doing. And even for you folks who are doing the long-term investing and stuff, there's a way to do that. And a lot of people don't know the proper way to do that either. So anyway, I'm going to keep coming on here and keep educating as long as Aaron's going to have me with him. So tomorrow's another day.
Sir. Yes, sir.
I think we wrap it up for the day now. It's 11 o'clock.
Yep. Let's do it.
All right.
We got SPACs Attack coming up next. They're doing a little SPAC watch list. So if you're interested in SPACs, they've got some good ones they're going to be talking about. And some of those are at a good value right now. They're on discount.
I agree. I'm not going to tell you which ones though. Maybe tomorrow. All right, Aaron. Thank you very much for having me.
No problem. We'll see you tomorrow morning.
All right. Excellent.
Bye.
Bye.
When you want to maximize your performance in the market, you need access to the highest quality tools and news available. Benzinga Pro stands out from all of the options you'll be presented with, and their instant access to market-moving news positions you to be prepared to take on the market in the best ways possible. Here's how it works. Benzinga Pro's news desk creates original news content that's available on your main news feed and gives you actionable information about companies you may want to invest in. This news desk information gives you the chance to beat the market, receive impactful news as it breaks, and jump on trending stocks before and as they rise. And beyond that, Benzinga Pro is packed with helpful features and unique insights that give you the best information possible. There's tools like the Live Audio Squawk, which streams every day with important news and timely updates, and the real-time news alerts that allow you to stay on top of every developing story you're keeping tabs on. Alerts and news will be sent straight to your inbox or delivered as live sound alerts. For those investors that want real-time, actionable, and breaking news about companies they may be looking to invest in, Benzinga Pro is the tool to use.